Mitch Widler is the farm and ranch expert at Justin Insurance, and this has been kind of a testy season, not only in Texas, but across the U.S., and you cover farms and ranches. What have you seen?
Yeah, it's been a little bit of a difficult year. It seems like Mother Nature decided to schedule lots of hailstorms and tornadoes this year, and of course we've all known about the floods down south, the devastating floods, but for instance, we had, I don't know how many trucks, trailers, RVs damaged at a cutting up in Oklahoma, the Breeders' Invitational, and we've worked with some of our clients on getting claims filed, and now the process for them is going to be getting it scheduled to get their repairs done, because this time of year they can't really be without these trucks and trailers, but we're helping them getting that accommodated so that hopefully they can get fixed up and get their trailers put back like they need to be, in trucks, all that stuff. So,
and what sets Justin Insurance apart, I think, is because you're here at the events. It's not just like you're calling somebody at a 1-800 number at a call center. It's a personal relationship with your clients.
You know, they've got our cell phone number, so you know, these people, all these, the trainers, the owners, they're busy all day. They don't have time to log in, do this stuff. They can call me on the phone or any of the people at the office, and we can get those claims started for them and let them know kind of what the process is going to be, because we are familiar with the process, but most people are not. So we can kind of advise them on that, and you don't have to wait for somebody in a foreign country or a foreign land to answer your phone call. You can just call us at the office and we'll get you taken care of. And for them, and even if they come by at the cutting and say, hey, you know, I got this damage, even though maybe it's been a couple weeks ago, they've been busy getting ready for this cutting or the next one or wherever they're going, and we can help them out. And that is part of the reason we're here, is to service our customers, not just to do business, but to service our customers, you know, make it convenient for them.
And Justin Insurance is really one-stop shopping. Livestock, farm, ranch, vehicles. Talk a little bit about that.
Correct. You know, when Miss June started the company, it was basically equine insurance, but then she realized that those customers also need insurance for their farms and ranches, and it's much easier, as we all know, when you go to the superstore, you get everything at one stop, and we're kind of the superstore of insurance. We stop, and you can stop with us, and we can do all your stuff, and farm, ranch, equine, and they can make one phone call and get it pretty much all done. We might transfer them back and forth between the office phones, but it's going to be all in-house if we can do it, and we sure like to do that for people, just to make it convenient.
Everything you need with just one call. Justin Insurance.